This fall, HPS has just received brand new Stryder bikes for our elementary physical education classes. These awesome bikes are perfect for riding around and learning balance while having tons of fun. Elementary students will get to use them in the big gym during gym class and have a blast riding around. Now let's hear from Miss Block and Miss Resar about their involvement with the new bikes. I heard that your STEM class made a project for Miss Resar's class.
Yes, we did build the Stryder bikes for Miss Resner. She got them through a grant, and we were able to put them together with the STEM students.
Were there any particular challenges your students faced during the assembly process? How did they overcome them?
So the challenge of this assignment was that we were working on following instructions. So our first project we did was following written instructions, and this project was following verbal instructions from a video. However, the company sent us extra parts that we could not figure out where they went. It turns out that is when you add the pedals to the bikes, you would need those parts, and we didn't need them. So we spent a lot of time confused for no reason.
Do you have any plans for similar hands-on projects in the future to further engage your STEM students?
Yes, STEM is almost entirely hands-on projects. We are building sail cars right now. We will be flying drones throughout the year and doing different challenges. We will be participating in Plant the Moon, Plant Mars challenge. In an attempt to colonize Mars, they have to plant in lunar or Martian regolith, which is sample soil or similar soil. It's not the actual soil. That would be insanely expensive, but a simulation of it.
Okay, what are your guys' thoughts on the Stryder bikes?
It feels weird. It feels weird when you sit down, kind of.
What are your thoughts on it?
It feels like before you put on a helmet, it feels.
Do you guys think you'll be able to ride these more often? Yeah?
Do you have any plans to expand use of these bikes to other grades in the future?
Yeah, I think the goal is to start and try it with the kindergarten group. It's a smaller group, but I'd love to see it used in first grade too. There are attachment pedal kits that we can put on so they can practice pedaling those bikes. And I think it'll be great because in second grade they do the bike safety, and they have some kids that come up and have no idea or have a bike, so maybe they could even use it for a little bit smaller guys in that time. So yeah, I think expanding it would be great. I hope they work well. It's going to be a winter activity, so haven't done it yet, but.
What benefits do you expect the other graded students to gain from using these balance bikes?
So the biggest thing is obviously the balance. It helps with everything that you do in any physical movement. So I think giving them another way where they can practice it is going to be a big part of it. And riding bikes is a life skill, so the sooner they learn it and more comfortable they are with it, the better off they're going to be.
Okay. Thanks, Miss Block and Miss Resner, and a big thank you to the students who helped build the new Stryder bikes. We can't wait to see everyone having fun and staying active in gym class. It's going to be a great year ahead.